So what is our topic? Basically, we have two main questions to answer. The first one is why do members of this generation choose the companies they work for? And the second one is what are their expectations with regards to way of working and their work-life balance? So, in order to answer this problematic, we will compare Jan, a member of the Gen Y, and Zoe, a member of the Gen Z, following three main points: the choices they make about the companies they want to work for, their expectation regarding the ways of working, and their work-life balance. Let's get started.
But why do you choose the companies you work for? And what are your expectations regarding the ways of working? Finally, what is your work-life balance?
So, what now?
How do we see the problem? Generation Y, they are not known to be company loyal and responsive to do this or else tactics, and they are questioning orders. They like to work in a fast-paced environment, innovative and work-friendly, because they grew up with the emergence of the internet and social network. Where does this problem come from? The Generation Y and later Z were born in a period of drastic change with the NTC, the terrorism and the global warming. They are used to a quick evolution and work with new technologies in a questioning environment. The problem is, most of the company didn't evolve to the Generation Y and Z work format yet.
How is it impacting company performance? In non-Gen Y and Z company friendly, there is clashes between Gen X, who admires a strict definition of hierarchy, order and task, with Gen Y, who emphasize on flexibility, innovation, feedback and communication. Thus, there is a lack of communication, misunderstanding, resulting in less interest from the Gen Y and thus less results and profits. If companies doesn't evolve to the Gen Y and Z work process, those companies will see themselves losing efficiency and inevitably market shares. Company cannot count on them, cannot play the labor force for long term. Gen Y don't want to work too much but still get lots of money and bonuses.
Those other companies have the same issue, of course, and have different ways to solve it. As an example, Google use a cool atmosphere, cool working place, flexibility in terms of hours to solve it. UBS, in this case, offer a gap year after study before starting the job to young graduates, because young graduates usually use this year to help the world and grow some new skills that will be helpful for the company. As another example, data consulting service, besides the usual quicker feedback on performance and the quicker access to responsibilities, has created an international social network called GNOMED, which is pretty original.
Our suggestion. For example, we could explain the company vision. Gen Y are more likely to look for meaning and impact on their work and aren't satisfied simply punching a clock. Helping them understand their role in the larger plan gives them a clearer sense of purpose, keep them informed of any changes.
Another example is to offer more flexibility in the dressing code in the working hours, because Generation Y is able to work through the internet and it's really keen on work-life balance. As well, the regular feedback plus encouragement is really great for them because it helps them to get confidence and then thus resulting in better work.
Created using Powtoon.